Hi, this is Erica DelSignore, and I'm the founder of Perfect Legal Video. And today I'd like to talk about what types of videos that your law firm should make. And certainly there's so many out there, and I really think that certain videos should be a priority for you. First of all, video blogs are fantastic. Video blogs can cover frequently asked questions or just really interesting, sizzling topics in your industry. And those can be used on your website, on your YouTube channel. They can be used in email campaigns. They can be used out on social media. And so those are just a few of the places that you can use those. And as long as you have a link to a landing page or to your website, those types of things are going to generate a lot of traffic for you overall. Another one would be the very most important video for your website that is going to be right on the up front and center on the first page is the Why Work With Us video. And that video can be really fancy. I mean, our company does really fancy commercials that are intended to be like a sizzle reel where it talks about why you started in your business and what you do for your clients, and then client testimonials are sprinkled in. And the most important thing, if you aren't doing the big fancy one, or you're just doing it yourself, that is totally fine too. You can overcome objections in this video. So if your clients aren't saying what the objections are that they felt before they signed up and how they didn't have to worry about that, you can just think a list of those objections, and you can mention those in this Why Work With Us video. You can say, some of the people that work with us, they don't know if we're going to cost too much, but we have this great payment plan. Or in the long run, they really figure out that by using an attorney, it saved them $100,000, and then them trying to do it themselves and not understanding what the law was. Or just taking the insurance company's first offer, not realizing that they were actually entitled to these 3 other things. So just keeping that in mind. The Why Work With Us video should be engineered to cover all of those objections, to give them a taste of who you are, and there should always be bookends on all of your videos that have a call to action. And that call to action should be to pick up the phone and call you. Or it should be to sign up for your book, or whatever you're trying to get them to do. They're not going to do it if you don't say it. So just remember, those bookends, you got to say it at the beginning of the video and at the end. And I should have a special video on that, so I'm glad that I'm thinking about it right now. Another one, there are 2 process videos that I think that you should have. One of the process videos is to help make those first appointments stickier. Now, people can sign up for an appointment, but as you know, a lot of times they cancel, they no-show, they reschedule. It's important to send a video that says who you are, introduce yourself, say that, hey, we're going to have a meeting for the next, for an hour, and we're going to talk about these 3 things. You might want to bring in this paperwork. If you don't have it, don't worry. You don't want to put any roadblocks in the way of them coming in. And then, at the end, just finish up and tell them where they need to come and what other information that they need for that appointment. That's really important. You're going to get a lot more appointments. If you can't see the appointments, then you're not going to close the deals. So it's a very essential video to have. Another very essential video to have is one that's going to help you keep the deal. And that would be a video that says, thank you for signing up with us. So that video is going to consist of, hey, we're so happy we're going to be working together, and here's this 10,000-foot overview of what the process is like, what your case is going to look like over the next 6 months. So that's super important, because when people know what to expect, they feel comfortable and they're going to stick with you. Otherwise, they may have buyer's remorse, and you might find that you don't have a client. So let's save that money and keep that process video in your arsenal. Another good one would be landing page videos. And landing page videos are going to be to help make your marketing efforts way more successful. So when somebody comes to a landing page to sign up for your book, you could just have a picture of your book, or you could have yourself introducing yourself, talking about a couple of the salient points that are in that book, and then telling them what to do. Hey, you're going to sign up, you're going to fill out the form on this page. And you also say you made a good decision for coming over here and signing up for this book. On the thank you page on that landing page, so that's after they sign up, they go to another landing page, you should have another video there saying, again, congratulations, you're getting your book. And we're so happy that you're going to have a lot of the information that you need to make a good decision. However, everybody's situation is different, and we'd love to talk to you about your situation and go over what your options are. And so that is really important to remember. Another one would be, one of the big objections people have, or big problems people have with signing up, they do not know who to sign up with for an attorney. There is so much information, they are overwhelmed, and it helps if you can give them questions to ask your opponents. And so what I would do is come up with a very well put together, well thought out list of questions. And knowing that other attorneys don't do certain things that you do, you can add those questions in there as well. So have those questions, do a video on what questions should you ask your personal injury attorney before you hire them, or your bankruptcy attorney before you hire them, or your family attorney. Whatever the case may be, whatever kind of work you do, make sure you have that video. Another video that I think, in the last one that I'm going to talk about today, is really a myth-busting video. That myth-busting video is going to help you combat against just ideas that they have that are plain wrong. They've been watching TV and they saw something about attorneys on TV that may not be the right information. They're watching some of those crime shows or movies. Maybe they're listening to a story that their neighbor or their mom or their cousin or their friend gave them about their dealings with an attorney in a situation that really has nothing to do with what they're going through. So it's really to help clear up a lot of those myths and get them to feel comfortable coming to you, and you being the one to tell them these things, that's going to go a long way with them. So this has been the essential videos that you need as a law firm, and I am Erica DelSignore. My company is Perfect Legal Video, and please call us today. This is great information for you, but we can help you figure out what's going to help you and your future marketing efforts if we have a chance to meet with you. So I am walking the walk and talking the talk. I will see you later. Have a good day.